Indoor plumbing. It's been around since the Roman Empire, but you don't give it much thought till you have a problem. But when you do need some plumbing work done, think Bego & Sons Plumbing. Bego & Sons has over 35 years experience in plumbing engineering, design, and installation. And perhaps most importantly, Bego & Sons does great work at a fair price. No overtime fees. Plumbing done right at a fair price. Nice. For residential and commercial plumbing jobs, large and small, remember Bego & Sons Plumbing.